Did I mention there's more?
Check out all new adventures on that series of shorts, City Island.
Are you kidding?
With some sweet new moves and cool tricks.
I better bring my A game today.
Brand new City Island.
Don't forget to buckle up.
Streaming now, free on PBS Kids. Check out Let's Go Luna on PBS Kids. Andy, Carmen, and Leo, pals who travel all over the world.
I love the Nile River!
They make friends everywhere they go, but their favorite is...
Luna!
Hola, everyone.
Luna's the moon and has a very important job to do.
Time for me to get back into the sky.
But she'll go on more adventures tomorrow. Let's Go Luna on PBS Kids.
Weekdays at 1.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Thank you for watching KLCS Los Angeles.
Xavier Riddle and the Secret Museum is made possible in part by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Ready for adventure? Who's that kid who can travel through time?
Xavier Riddle and the Secret Museum.
Which great heroes will we find?
Xavier Riddle and the Secret Museum.
Every single boy and girl has what it takes to change the world.
Xavier Riddle and the Secret Museum.
Right! Angelina!
And the Secret Museum. Dr. Zoom and the Secret Museum. Xavier Riddle and the Secret Museum. Shh.
Hello! Welcome to the show. Today we're meeting a real hero, firefighter James Braidwood. Oof. Gotcha, Brad. James was the first person to put together a group of trained firefighters, back when no one really knew how to fight fires. Too bad James isn't here to explain how this hose works. Woo! Look out!
Whoa! Maybe we better leave this to the professionals and start the show!
Hi, Miss Rachel. You wanted to see me?
Hi, Brad.